Hey there, this is PF5, Polynomial Functions, Part 5. And we're talking about Part 2, Functional Notation, which is this f of x stuff. Okay, so here, ta-da, are three different functions. So f of x is equal to x plus 5, or g of b, that's how you say it, g of b, is equal to b squared, and c of d is equal to 12 minus d. So notice whatever letter is in the brackets here is what shows up later. You can't have, I don't even want to write it on this paper, but you can't have like f of x is equal to b plus 7. That doesn't make any sense. It's got to be matchy. Okay, anyway, so the way I understand these things and what works for me is that the f, the g, and the b just describe different rules. So the f rule says take a number, and add 5. Whatever I start with, add 5. Done. So now that you, that easy. Yeah, that easy. What does this one say to do? Square, sorry, square the number. Right? Now the C rule, I got to be careful. I need to, is it the number minus 12 or 12 minus the number? Yes. Subtract. Okay, how do we want to do this? Subtract the number or 12 minus the number probably would have been faster, right? So those are my rules. That's what I'm going to do. Whatever number you give me, if you say use the C rule, I'm going to go 12 minus whatever you tell me. The X, B, and D. So these letters I chose are just fillers. So whether I write f at x is x plus 5, or f at m is m plus 5, or f at, pick your favorite letter. I'm going to use J. Oh, I have to fix this because it's not 5.1. This is a new sentence. This is a new sentence. I picked the different numbers as I thought using x. So you guys would have got mad at me. Well, not mad at me. But I think if I wrote f at x is equal to x plus 5, and g of x is equal to x squared, and c of x is equal to 12 minus x. Now that I'm looking at it, maybe it wouldn't be more confusing. But I just worry that people would be trying to take this one and put it into that one, and we don't want to do that. Okay, so that's why you pick different letters. All right, let's do some calculations. I'm going to do it the best way I know how, which means I'm always going to rewrite my original equation. Doesn't take that long, and it makes it easy. So now everywhere I see that x, I'm going to put a 3. So f at 3 is equal to 8. Oh, that's it. That's all there is. We are done. Remember, this part's okay. This is saying F rule, when we use 3, the answer is 8. Now I want to do minus 2. And there we go. I think you should pause the video now and do some. Once you get down to this one, maybe it's getting a little bit weird, a little scary. I have faith in you. I think you can do it. So pause the video. All right, let's see. G at 4. Oh, I got to be careful. It's a G rule. That's the other reason I find, for me, it's important to keep writing this, especially if I've got multiple different rules I'm using at the same time. Just keep writing it. G at 4 is equal to 4 squared. G at 4 is equal to 16. Okay. Ooh, a negative. I think we can do that. So we're going to take that negative inside because it's what B is. So we're going to go negative 12. Whoopsies. You could see negative 12 times negative 12. 144. How'd you do so far? Ooh, L. All right, let's see about C. C of D is equal to 12 minus D. So C at 10. Done. They gave me cake at school. I'm sorry. Because I like math. Math is cool. You need some kind of reward for sitting through my videos. I don't know any good jokes. It's probably best if I don't sing. So you get to dance. I suspect there are no other teacher videos that include craziness like this. Oh, see, oh, gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. It's a negative. So 12 minus 9. So there's this one and this one. So C at minus 9 is equal to 12. Now a negative, another negative, make positive. C at minus 9. That'd be 21. And everybody's like, yeah, I can do this. And then they get to this question, everybody goes, it's so easy. Follow the rules. What's the first thing I did every single time? Yes, let's write out the equation. Write out our rule. F at x is equal to x plus 5. So now everywhere I see the x, I'm going to put an R. Now comes the big question. Can I put those two together? No, they're not like terms. So we're done. It just messes up people because I need another step, but there's one. All right. G, oh, I forgot my do rule is G at B equal to B squared. So G at 3M. I can have another variable in there if I want. It's going to be 3M with the brackets, especially with the squared ones. It's never wrong on any of these, but especially the squared ones. Put brackets there so you don't mess up. So G at 3M. So this right? You all knew that. 3M times 3M. So that's going to give me 9M squared. So that square doesn't apply just to the M. It also applies to the 9. 2 more. They were getting weirder as we went, but the rule's not going to change. Is equal to x plus 5 f of 5y minus 2. All right. Everywhere I see an x, I'm going to write 5y minus 2 plus 5. Bring that part down. F of 5y minus 2 is equal to 5y. But I put those together, plus 3. Can I put those together? No, I don't like terms, so we're done. She didn't do it. Yes, she did. T minus 3. T minus 3. Great. Now, do not be lazy. This means, I'm right over here. I thought I had room for another question, but we left out. T minus 3 times T minus 3. And it's been a while, but you need to FOIL. Remember, I use Bryant's method. It's so much better. So my first step is just organizing stuff. So first times first, and then outside. So T times minus 3. And then I'm going to go insides. Minus 3 times T. And minus 3 is minus 3. That's my last. Organize. Multiply. So T times T is T squared. T times minus 3 is minus 3t. Minus 3 times T is minus 3t. And plus 9. So just want to double check because I've got those negatives in there. So there's a negative and a negative. I think we're good. So I've got T squared. Now these two are like terms. I can combine them. Careful. Minus 6t plus 9. So G of T minus 3 is equal to that. Ta-da! So this is my hope that you go on to business, university, somewhere else. Maybe you have some, maybe you decide to become a math teacher. I don't know. But you end up somewhere, at least, excuse me, at least you've seen this. Have a spectacular day. Bye.